What possessive adjectives are?
Possessive adjectives show who owns something. They go before a noun, like my bag or your phone. Example: my bag is on the chair. Example: your phone is on the table. In English, the main possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Example: our teacher is in the classroom. Example: their car is red. Choosing the correct adjective. Choose the possessive adjective for the owner. Use his for a man or boy, and her for a woman or girl. Example: Tom has his book. Example: Anna has her umbrella. Use its for an animal or thing when you do not say he or she. Use their for two or more owners. Example: the dog is in its bed. Example: the children have their toys. Form and position. A possessive adjective does not change for one noun or many nouns. We say my book and my books. Example: this is my pencil. Example: these are my pencils. Do not use a possessive adjective alone. Put it with a noun, like our house or their bikes. Example: our house has a blue door. Example: their bikes are near the tree. Common mistake: its and its. Its shows possession. Its means it is. In possessive adjectives, do not use an apostrophe. Example: the cat is drinking its milk. Example: it's a small cat. Examples: my backpack is under the desk. Your keys are in the kitchen. His jacket is on the sofa. Her camera is next to the window. Its tail is very long. Our garden has yellow flowers. Their house is near the park. My sister is painting her room. The boy is washing his hands. We are cleaning our car. The girls are carrying their bags. Your dog is sleeping in its basket. His bike is outside the school. Her shoes are by the door. Our lunch is in the picnic basket. Quiz. Choose an option. My. My notebook is on the bed. Choose an option. Your. Your coat is in the closet. Choose an option. His. His father is a doctor. Choose an option. Her. Her mother is in the garden. Choose an option. Its. Its ears are big. Choose an option. Our. Our classroom is bright. Choose an option. Their. Their children are at the zoo. Choose an option. My. My parents are cooking dinner. Choose an option. Your. Your shoes are wet. Choose an option. His. The man is fixing his car. Choose an option. Her. The woman is reading her book. Choose an option. There.
The students are opening their books.